because there isn't any value, and these are neither empty nor filled, just because I just didn't click on submit button. Okay, when I just click on submit button, then the empty command or not empty command will run, but right now I just didn't click on the validation, form validation actually, and I'm directly calling the name. So the thing is, before the validation of this form, I'm just creating some tags. The name is equals to empty now, and the email is equals to empty now, and the subject is equal to empty now. Actually, why I'm just creating that, because here I'm just calling that the name, the email, and the subject here in the form, and yet I just didn't launch, or actually just submit the request of the validation. So now they are empty, and if I just didn't create that, if I just don't create that, then what will happen? You know that the browser will give us some kind of errors like undefined. Now just refresh that. Now I'm just getting no error. Now if I just type name Shazaib Kamel, whatever name you just type, and the email address should be gdskhamadi, and the subject and the comment, and just click on submit button. Now the name is, you can see that Shazaib Kamal, and the email address is gdskhamadi, and the subject is ASD, and the comments are at the top. I should copy the comments at the bottom. By the way, I'm just refreshing that again, and I'm not putting anything inside the name. I'm just directly going to the gdskhamadi, and here I'm just typing sorry, and here blah blah blah, and clicking on submit. Now you can see that the name field is empty, and the email address is gdskhamad, and the subject is sorry. So what to do here? Actually, I'm just adding some kind of a span tag, and in this span tag I'm just using the style color red. Okay, now this is more readable, span. Okay, and then just simply copy this thing to here, and here as well, and just copy the ending tag, and just paste the ending tag, and paste the ending tag. Obviously all the things which actually showing, which actually I just want to show as the error, are red now. Okay, and these things which actually I just want to show when no error. So let's just copy this again, and I'm just pasting this here with concatenating. I'm just pasting, and now this should be green. Okay, and what I'm just doing, actually copying this and just pasting this here, and just simply pasting this here, so everything is fine now. But just copy the tag again, and after the functions, here I'm just putting another dot, and I'm just pasting this, and just simply copying that, and just pasting this here, and just pasting this here, actually the ending tags. Let's just save it and refresh that. If I just put nothing in the email address and simply type the name, okay, and the subject and the comment, and I click on submit, now you can see that email field is required, name is Shazaib Kamal, subject are this, and comments are ASD. I hope you understood how to create the validation, or actually how to validate our form, and how to add some required fields. This is the way to add the required fields. And for more guiding the user, just add some stars. The stars actually can guide that these fields are truly required. And if the user won't submit that, then the server will stop the request. Save that and refresh that. Now you can, not in this way actually, just refresh. Now you can see that there are some kind of stars. That means these fields are really important. I hope you understood how to do that. Now the last thing is, I am not echoing this here. Actually, obviously I'm just creating the variable here as well instead of echoing. So how I'm just making the variable here, I'm just typing comments equal to, now simply just copy all these command and just paste this here and remove that. Okay, now I think I should type the other thing as well. For example, the comments Or I don't think I should mention the comments in this way. Simply just add some kind of heading, h3. Okay, h3 comments. Now this is more perfect way. Now I'm just gonna create another thing, the comments empty first if I just didn't click on the validated yet, but if I just did, then this will. Now everything is fine. Now what I'm just doing, where I'm just showing this comments variable actually at the end. Okay, at the end of the table. Here I'm just typing PHP. Oh, before the comments I should echo it. Now comments, and just save that, refresh that. Now if I just didn't put anything as a name, I'm just typing GD or whatever. I just type some subject, some test, and here are some comments. Just click on submit. Now you can see that the name field is empty. This is another thing, and some test, and here is the comment area. And now if actually when I just got the form first, then this shouldn't be there obviously. So what I'm just doing, actually I'm just typing no request. Okay, or actually instead of this I should type result. This is more readable. Now I'm just copying the result and pasting the result after the comment. Okay, echo, and there, oh sorry, not in this way, simply in this way. So by the way, otherwise it should be empty. Actually when I just didn't make the request, the result should be, sorry, there isn't anything, but if I just make the request, then the result should be empty. Okay, because the result is on else area, not in the if area. This is a very little bit tricky to understand, but really simple. Actually we are doing the opposite thing with results. Okay, when when we just didn't click on the validate button, so it means the else is working. So the thing is that the result has the value of sorry and something something something, but if I just click on the validate, then all these values which are empty are removed and got these variables. Actually replace the data with these variables, but result will get this value. Now refresh that. Now you can see that, sorry, there isn't any request, but if I just type something here or here or here, now just click, now I have no error that there isn't something sent. So this is a truly simple and easy validated form. I hope you understood how to do that. So let me leave and stay tuned. Goodbye.